Today we're going to fix the windshield sprayer on my 2017 Toyota Sienna. It sprays to the center but not to the left, which is right in the line of sight as the driver. I'm going to release the hood, then come around and open it. And you can see the windshield sprayer that we have to pop off. The Ozark Trail knife is going to make an appearance while I try to get the sprayer released from the hood. I'm just going to give it a little twist. And actually the Ozark Trail Benchmade look-alike is just too sharp for this. So I'm going to use my Kershaw Shuffle 2. With a twist and just a little pulling, I was able to get it off. This is what it looks like. One of these holes is blocked and causing me all the problems. Now that I'm back inside in my kitchen, I'm going to submerge the plastic squirter into white vinegar for about 30 minutes to an hour. The sprayer sat in vinegar for over an hour, so now it's time to take it out, rinse it off thoroughly, and go put it back on the minivan. Time to reinstall the sprayer. Start by putting the hose back on, then putting the back end of the sprayer in place first and snapping the front end in. Let's close the hood and see if we solved our problem with the sprayer. The vinegar fixed the windshield sprayer, so I would call this a success.